Yeah, here we go, guys. First cast, live shrimp. Beautiful sunset. The wind died. Gosh, kind of warm, but hey, gotta love it. That's Mr. Shrimp swim around. One pull out. God, look at that sunset. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. Nice jumper. Nice jumper. First fish. Just getting started. Got the first fish. I ain't got it yet. Fish, guys. First fish. Rock on. Fighter. Oh yeah. Gosh, beautiful. Get the pliers on him. Beautiful fish. Well, guys, this is my getaway spot. Love it. I've stayed here before, but they came in and redone this one-bedroom bungalow and remodeled it, so really nice. Made a lot wider area out here where you can actually back in and park if you wanted to. I'm fine right there. Got everything unloaded, set up. I just started fishing. Gonna stay 2 days and 2 nights, so yeah, kind of relaxing. Been a busy stay-at-home month the last month. All the construction going on, and my wife taking a trip to see her family in Isan. I've been at the house. It feels nice to get away. It's really nice setup. Got a nice marble table here. Yeah, really nice. Little one-bedroom bungalow, guys. Yeah, they've redone it. The door, entrance and exit used to be on this side over here, which faces the west, the sunset, so really hot in the afternoons. Pretty smart to move it onto the north side, and they're extending this deck out here for fishing, so that's kind of nice. But yeah, I mean, you got a water hose. They provide you with, plates and saucers and silverware and stuff. Pretty much everything you need. Nice little spot, guys. So yeah, I just got a couple of poles rigged up here, and we're going for some sea bass. Block up on. We'll see what we get. I got some live shrimp action going here. About the best bait you could have. But yeah, the bungalow is pretty cool, guys. Nothing fancy, but plenty of room the way they've redone it. I like it. A lot of floor space over here on this side of the bed. Got my CPAP machine, everything set up. course, the TV I never use. Got my cooler full of stuff, fridge, got my coffee all set up. Nice little table here. Plenty of electric for charging phones and cameras and whatnot. Yeah, got a nice view of the ocean out this window. And just a Thai style toilet with a nice shower. I mean, it works. It's all a guy needs, right? So, yeah, pretty cool setup. Can't beat the easy access to fishing, right? Get up, stumble out of bed and trip over everything and fish on.